All right, guys, so we're going to start on to this section. We're on question number 14. It says, in the Articles of Confederation, what were some strengths? Okay. Some of the strengths were that they were able to declare war and they were able to sign peace treaties. Number 15 says the articles were made weak due to the fear that a strong central government would abuse its power. Would abuse its power. Number 16 says the Northwest Ordinance is a plan on how you become a state, and you need 60,000 men. And then question number 17 says define and explain unalienable rights. These are rights to life, liberty, pursuit of happiness. And you're born with, they cannot be taken away. You're born with, and they cannot be taken away. Okay? And then let's look at this one here. All right, let's look at this. This is asking about the following amendments. You don't get tested on all of them. These are the ones that show up frequently. The First Amendment is RAPS, Religion, Assembly, Petition, Press, Speech. Okay. The Fourth Amendment says no unreasonable searches and seizures. Okay. So the police cannot check you without um, a good reason. Six says you have the right to a trial by jury, a trial by jury. Eighth says no cruel or unusual punishment, no cruel or unusual punishment. And then number 10 says rights that are not given to the federal government, if they're not listed in the Constitution, then they belong to the state government to decide. Okay? You should have all of this down. Let's scoot down to the bottom. All right. So here we have the two colonies, the first two colonies in the United States. The first one is 1607, Jamestown, Virginia. 1607, Jamestown, Virginia. They were established for economic reasons. Economic reasons. They're in the southern region and they're the first permanent settlement. Once again, this is Jamestown and they're here for economic reason. They're here for money. Our next one is in 1620, we have Plymouth, Massachusetts. Plymouth, Massachusetts. They were established for religious reason. They're in the New England region and they have the Mayflower Compact. They have the Mayflower Compact. Okay. And then let's talk about our three regions, okay? You have your New England, you have your middle, and you have your southern. In the New England region, it's cold, rocky soil. They're going to be trading, fishing, lumbering, whaling, okay? In the middle, they're warm. They're known as the breadbasket. They have a lot of skilled workers. They're trading, but they really just do crops, specifically wheat. And then we have our southern region. This is hot, fertile soil. We're going cash crops like tobacco, cotton, rice, indigo. We have a lot of plantations, and of course, we have slaves working in the plantations